Hey guys, so today we're unboxing this guy. So I'm going to show you around the box. First, the box. I know you guys always want to see what information you get around it. That's about it. There's not much info. At the other side, you guys will see French. In some cases, you guys will see this other side in Spanish. So it depends where you guys are at. So anyways, let's just open this up. What I'm going to do, open it up the other way around, although it's supposed to be transported the other way. I find it easier when you open it from the bottom a lot of times. It's not something I suggest doing all the time, but it just works out. Let's take this baby out. Yes, maybe it wasn't a good idea. We'll see. Never mind, that was easy. That. Got this on the side. Got this guy. That's a better close-up. Now we can take this sideways. Take it all out so you guys can see exactly what you get in the box. So this is what we really want to see. However, I'm also going to show you what's in these boxes. So you can check that out as well. So right here, we've got some setup instructions. I'm gonna do a setup video, a review, a test as well. So don't worry about that. Allen key. It's weird that we get an Allen key. Cable. Go, that's the adapter. Pretty big adapter. Almost looks like laptop adapter, really. And this should be the keyboard. We'll see. Yep. There's the keyboard, our mouse. So that's the mouse that we get. Okay, so let's just leave this out. Let's put this on the side. Here's some batteries that we get with it. Okay, triple A's. Set that right there. Keyboard. Let's take it out of here. So again, this is just an unboxing. So I do have a setup video that's gonna be done. How to set this up. I'm gonna be running a few tests as well. Again, it's in a separate video. That's not for this video. This is just an unboxing to show you what you guys get in the box. That's about it for this video. So this is a Bluetooth adapter, by the way. So it's gonna go connected here. That's what you get with the keyboard and mouse, which kind of sucks. I would expect this not to come with that. There's some instructions right there. Again, we'll go through that later. Let's just finish up with this thing. Might as well take these guys out. Go. Set that on the side. And I'm not sure if we're gonna need the Allen key, so I'm gonna leave that in here. Just because it's weird that you get an Allen key, unless it's to open this up or to get the batteries in. But we'll see. Let's take this out. Now from what I can tell you, it feels kind of heavy. Yeah, it's not bad. Heavy means good. It's pretty good quality. I'm always afraid when they're too light. Quality wise, usually not good when they're too light. However, with this, I have pretty good confidence with it. So I'm not gonna unpackage all this, 'cause might as well keep it for now. We don't need to take that out for the setup. I'll keep it protected. But it's a nice silver touch. You know what? Let's just take it out for you guys. Where is this thing? Just want to screw it up here on the floor. Okay. So you have this silver touch. This feels like metal, but it isn't. That I can tell you right off the bat. Can I move this right there? There, yeah. You can move this like that and like that. Okay, so we can move it up and down. This is not metal again. That's metal. This is all plastic. This is fiber, so there's speakers back here for sure. And that's the only thing that's metal. The keyboard itself, let's check that out. That's all plastic. Yes, it resembles Apple products right now. So this is kind of trying to imitate an iMac. And yeah, iMac is all in one, just like this thing is. So let's test it out. I'm gonna do a few shots so you guys can see. All I can tell you is that this is plastic, this is actually fabric, okay? This is metal, plastic. Feels really light, not that great. Yeah, this feels pretty good. Okay, this feels good. Again, this guy, a huge deal with it. It does resemble something for laptops. Same deal, like what's hooked up there. Get your Allen key, and you get some AAA batteries, which is good. This only takes 2. I'm assuming this one only takes 2 as well, and we're good to go. I'm gonna do some close-ups so you guys can see exactly what you get and how this looks with some close-up shots. Anyways guys, that's it for this unboxing video. To see the setup video, how this works, some tests and reviews, check out my channel. All those videos are right here. And that's it for this unboxing video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.